Hello, welcome back to my channel. And in case if you're new over here, then hello, my name is Tarusha Saxena, and I welcome you to my beautiful world of tarot. On this channel, my dear friends, you are going to find weekly and monthly zodiac readings like this one. And what a beautiful energy, Virgos, what a beautiful energy. So you're going to find weekly and monthly zodiac readings like this one. You're also going to find fun pick a card readings about love, relationships, marriage, children, career, money, health, life, and so much more. So in case if these topics interest you, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications about my upcoming videos. Disclaimers that this particular reading is an absolutely general reading for Virgos for this upcoming week. If it does not resonate with you, do not forget to check out my other zodiac readings for this upcoming week as per your sun, moon, rising, and Venus signs. All right. And also remember, the timing is fluid. All right. And this reading is a timeless reading. So, my dear Virgo, you will come across this reading only when you're meant to watch it, irrespective of date, month, time, and year. Whenever you watch it, it is going to be applicable for you for that particular upcoming week. All right, my dear friend, let's get started. Virgos. Queen of Rods. We have the Queen of Rod, beautiful Queen of Rod energy. We have the Page of Cups. Let's see what's next. The Six of Swords. We have the Queen of Pentacles, Eight of Rods, Two of Rods. Work, 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 money, work, money. Four of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, Seven of Rods, the Emperor. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Temperance, beautiful. This is the major change, the time of a major change in your life, my dear Virgos. It's the time of major change in your life. Okay, so let's get started. Virgos. So what I see is that there's a lot happening with your career or your job. There is a lot happening. So in the beginning of the week, my dear Virgos, what I see is that there is some kind of work that you have been working on very hard, and it's you kind of very passionate about it, and you do see some very beautiful prospects in this particular work, and you of course are very, very passionate about this particular job. All right, it's something related to creativity, because Page of Cups has a very strong creative energy to it, also with the colors of red and pink. It's very beautiful, and the cup signifies passion. The blue color and the fish symbolizes water. All right, so it also has water energy, wherein your emotions are invested in this particular job or in this particular project or business. All right, so this is something we are talking about, is something very serious, something which is very close to your heart, something that you're very passionate about. All right, and you are moving very fast towards achieving this particular, whatever you have to achieve with regard to this particular project or job. All right, towards the mid of this week. Okay, towards the mid of this week, what I see is that there could be some kind of ground that you would be reaching with respect to this particular job. All right, also what I feel is that with regard to this particular, I would say job, now you take it whether it's a business or a project or a job opportunity, whatever it is, but I'm going to use the word job. All right, so take it as a metaphor. So with regard to this particular job, I also see that you're going to get a lot of opportunities. All right, and these opportunities could be some financial opportunities with respect to this particular job, my dear friend. Yes, so see, passion, creativity, opportunities, and money. Passion, creativity, opportunities, and money. And this card also symbolizes the Queen of Pentacles, also brings in the energy of stability, energy of prosperity, energy of money gain. All right, so you can expect some kind of money coming in with respect to this opportunity, which will come to you with a lot of good news and opportunities and offers coming your way. You also, my dear friend, know with the Two of Rods energy, what is your job or project worth. what is the worth of your project or your product, whatever it is. You know its prospect. You have already done all the hard work, whatever hard work you had to do in the regard with regard to this particular job. You have done everything, and you know its worth, you know its future, you know its future very well and very clear, and you're just waiting for the result now to show up to you. All the hard work that you have put behind in the background, now you're waiting to see the results. And the results, what is the result going to be? These opportunities and this money gain that is going to come your way. Also, I see that towards the end of this week, what you're going to gain is some kind of financial stability. All right, so maybe the deal which is coming through you through this week, sometime mid this week, might be kind of finalized, and some kind of money gain might come your way. Also, you can now this is very interesting, okay, the 7 of rods and 7 of swords energy, because what these are telling, and these are absolutely opposite cards, because the 7 of swords tells that somebody is going to hide what is in their mind. All right, while over here somebody is going to take a very strong stand. They are going to hold their grounds very, very firmly, that this is what I believe and this is what has to be. So now, who is this person who is hiding some ideas or thoughts or strategies in their mind, and who is this person who's holding the ground? That is something for you to decide. But I definitely see that there is somebody who has some strategy or something in their mind that they will be hiding. What I'm feeling is that it could be you hiding some plans or strategies or ideas in your mind. All right, from the people who are going to be against you, because you want to just hold your ground very strongly. So you might be hiding your feelings or ideas and strategies from people who you think might be opposing your ideas. All right, so but yes, you need to you will be holding your ground very strongly, and because you know the worth of your project. All right, so overall this looks like a great a week, also because the overall energy that you've got for yourself, again, all positive cards for you. Oh my god, Page of Pentacles, all Fool, I mean, very creative work. We are talking about a beautiful creative work. This is creativity. And then the Lovers is creative, Fool is creative, 3 of Rods is creative, Page of Pentacles is creative. I mean, it's such a beautiful energy that we're talking about over here. Page of Cups, so many pages which has come for you. Also, I feel that the Emperor energy means that your strategy, your ideas, whatever it is going to be a very well thought of, planned and executed thing. It's kind of whatever efforts you could have put in this particular project, you have already put. All right, and there is no more that you can do anything with regard to this particular project. You have done everything. Now just wait and watch, wait for the results to show up. All right, I also see that and by the way, it also shows me that you kind of it's like you have done the work, you've done the hard work, you've fought the battles, you have come back to your fort, and now you're nicely confidently sitting relaxed that okay, the war has been won, and I'm victorious, and I won, and this is where I am, and now I will sit, relax, and enjoy this place that I have earned with so much of hard work. All right, and now you are like all your fight, everything is over. Now you just have to sit, rule, and relax. So that's what the overall energy for you this week will be. I also see that there is a lot going on inside you. All right, there's a lot going on inside you, there's a lot of trouble inside you, and this week, okay, this week what you need to be doing is kind of trying to find a balance between the world that lies outside you and the world that lies inside you. All right, you need to find that balance between the two worlds, the one outside you and the one outside and around you, and the one which is inside you. All right, you need to connect with yourself. All right, this triangle over here in the center of the chest shows that you need to connect with yourself. All right, you also need to kind of find the spiritual strength that you right now are lacking to go through this time, okay, because you're trying to find the balance between the water and the earth. All right, so which is like the the world and yourself. You need to try, you're trying to find that balance. All right, it is also time for you to kind of, for your spiritual awakening. This is a beautiful, beautiful week for you, my dear Virgos, which is full of opportunities coming your way, which is about fulfillment of your wishes with regards to this particular job or project or business idea, whatever it is. It is also the time for you to receive monetary gains. All right, when especially in the time of COVID, people are struggling to make ends meet. You're going to be blessed with these beautiful opportunities of work coming to you, so many opportunities coming to you about something you are so passionate about, and also brings you a lot of financial gain. All right, let's see what messages you have from your ancestors and angels. Let's see what messages do your ancestors and angels want to give you for this upcoming week. What guidance do they have for you, Virgos? Virgo, they are telling you surround yourself with protective energy. Surround yourself with protective energy so that if there are any kind of conflicts, you are strong enough to hold your ground. All right. Let's see what's the next message for you. Mother Earth energy for you. It means feel loved and comforted. So it is trying to tell you that you need to feel loved and comforted, because as I said over here, that you need to connect with your inner self and find the balance between the world around you and the world that is inside you. You're feeling disconnected with yourself, so you need to feel connected, and for that you need to feel loved and comforted. All right. The next message for you is take note of intuitive messages. Take note of intuitive messages. In case also this the two of wands also is a highly intuitive card. It shows intuition, so you are going to be very highly intuitive this particular week. So make use of all the intuitive messages and feelings that you are getting in this particular week, and follow what your instinct is telling you. All right, so this was your reading, my dear Virgos, for this particular upcoming week. And you guys take very, very good care of yourselves until I see you in my next video. So till then, take care, stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.